Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable echo cancellation on the Discord mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U icon in the bottom corner to open up your profile page. Then select the gear icon up at the top right, and then scroll down underneath App Settings and select Voice. And then scroll down again underneath voice processing, should say echo cancellation. Click inside this oval to toggle it on to enable echo cancellation, and that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.